Hey, Probstats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 12 Thursday. How are you guys doing? Pause the video and answer the following questions. All right, you guys, today you have an assessment that you're going to be working on for this class. It is going to be on circuits and paths and neithers for Euler's, path, and circuit. So this is the question right over here. These are the questions that you have. It is 6 questions. Some are multiple choice, some are fill in the blank. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paste this onto your MS team so that way you have access to this as well. And if you would like a hard copy of it, I will have extras outside my room in B1, so you can have access to that in case you don't have a printer. Or you can just watch the video that I have right here, and you can go ahead and see it and just write it on a separate piece of paper, take a picture of it, and then just go ahead and feel free to email it to me. All right, so with that said, the next thing I want you guys to do is you want to go to this part right here, type this in, okay? I have a slideshow. It's going to be 8 minutes with a lesson and voice on Euler's, circuits, and paths. So if you're a little bit confused, you can go ahead and do this first before you take the quiz. So once you go ahead and get there, which I'm going to show you how it gets there. Let's see where it's going to go. Here it is right here. You're just gonna go ahead and push play, and it is gonna play, well, in a few minutes. 3, 2, 1. It's gonna play the difference of Euler's, path, and circuits. It's about 8 minutes and 50 seconds, and you just watch the video, and there's talking on there, so make sure you do that. All right, so after you do that, I have several questions. What is an Euler's path? What is an Euler's circuit? What is a vertex? How do you identify edges and degrees? What is the theorem about all even edges, and what is the outcome for all odd degrees? So make sure you answer questions 1 to 6. Then what I want you guys to do is take a look at this diagram. Which of the following designs can you trace without lifting your pencil and without retracing any edges? So identify, is it a circuit, is it a path, or is it neither for these 4 things? Now, on the back of a separate piece of paper, I want you to create 3 designs, or 2 you can trace without lifting your pencil, and 1 you cannot trace without lifting, and then include the path of the answers for your 3 designs. Okay, you guys, so with that said, I'm going to show you guys several pictures over here. You should have this diagram, and you're going to be copying this part down for number 1. So number 1 is right there. So this is what you need to copy down for number 1. This is what you need to copy down for number 2, number 3. Continuing on for number 3, find any Euler's path or circuits. Write down the letters of A, B, and C for number 3. Number 4, do the same thing. Write down the path for A, B, and C. And then number 5, you're going to be summarizing Euler's theorem. Your answer should be somewhat similar to mine. So take a look at my 3 parts. Number 6, I want you guys to draw the path to the bridge. My path looks like this. Yours should be somewhat similar to mine. Number 8, skipping over to number 8 here. Here we go. Number 8, read example up above. Take a look at the diagram. And then draw the path. Is it possible for Bob to visit each of the states in New England and cross each border once? And this is my drawing of that. For number 9, Susan needs to visit and monitor a station in each state province of Northwest. This is what you have. Is it possible for her to travel among these 6 states and cross each common border once? And of course, number 10. Take a look at the question. Here is the answer for that. Number 11, is this a path circuit? If you look at this, it's 6 odd vertices, so no, it's a neither. So why not? Because they're all odd edges. Number 12, read the question, pause the video, and answer. All right, you guys, we are pretty much done. Your exit ticket today is going to be pick a figure. How many vertices and degrees for each of the vertex? Like figure 1 has 5 vertices and they are labeled for odd and even. So for this one, there's 3. This one, 1, 2, 3. C, there's 1, 2, 3. D is a 2 and E is a 3. So I want you guys to do that for figure 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, you guys, as always, stay safe and healthy. I'll see you guys next time.